Well, my friends, Tomb Raider 582 is back. Still on VRChat, checking out more worlds, and this one is titled Chronolumia. Chrono from time, Chronolumia. A monochrome clockwork world built entirely using free assets available on both Yama Player. It was published in July of this year and updated July of 2026. These are the tags that you will find the world under.
苔むす石碑に指をそっと置いた名前も知らないぬくもりを探した風がめくるページひとひらの白い花
The gears of the watch or clock. El tiempo es un delincuente que se escapó de su celda. Y que 20 años no es nada, porque se van tan rápido que cuando uno se viene a dar cuenta ya han pasado 30, 40, 50 años. El tiempo no para. No para por nadie. No importa el dinero. El tiempo no para. Por eso hay que aprovecharlo. It's like you are inside the gears of the clock. That's exactly it. There Is there a collider? Am I getting closer to that? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Whoa. What will happen if I cross the boundary? Ay, ay, ay. Oh, if you suffer from motion sickness, then close your eyes. Otherwise, enjoy the ride. Heading over to the gears now. Oh yeah, you definitely want to see this world as a flying drone avatar if you can. Gears all over. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Time, time, time. A time to live and a time to die. This is where we were. Okay. I hope you enjoy this world. It's pretty unique. Moving on to the next world. Oh, and by the way, this is another world that I discovered via the Sunrise Explorers. Jim 709 made a stop at this world, and we enjoyed it very much. All right. Until next time, folks.